Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with stress-free downsizing in 10 steps. A while back, I created a 10-part series on downsizing, but we work with busy people, so I know many of you don't have the time to watch all 10 videos. So here's a summary with links to the full videos if you need details. Step 1. No options beyond dumpster. Downsizing means discarding, right? Yes, but that will be the easy part. Start by preparing for what will be the hard part. What will you do when you bump into unwanted items of value, or unwanted items too good for the landfill, or hazardous waste? Start by learning your options for discarding, donating, and selling. Free pickup services, full service hauling, hazardous waste drop-off, shredding, estate sales, and auctions, about 80% of which are online these days. Step 2. Embrace the limitations. This is all about doing some quick calculations on your new space, your timing, and your new location's services. For example, if your new space is roughly half the size of your current space, then plan on releasing about half your stuff. If you need furniture in your current home to list it, then plan on 2 phases. One for decluttering to sell, and another for selling furniture after the sale of your home. If you learn that your new home has landscaping services, then you know you can part with all your garden tools now. Step 3. Coordinate on strategy. Preparing for a move can be physically and emotionally draining. So coordinate with all involved as soon as possible. Work out a strategy and coordinate with your realtor, family members, mover, and maybe a move manager to coordinate everything for you. And by the way, Matt Byer Organizing has now expanded our downsizing services into move management. So you don't have to look far for move management services in Fairfield County, Connecticut. Step 4. Start with the garage. The most important areas to show when listing your house are the kitchen, the entryway, and other first impression areas. However, when you begin the decluttering process, start with the garage. Why? Because in the garage, you typically have a lot of quick wins, that is, easy purge or easy keep. With that open space, you can then create exit zones for discards and donates heading out from the rest of the house. Step 5. Declutter the basement. There tends to be a lot of quick wins in the basement too. Use the space opened up there to temporarily collect smaller items to sell. Step 6. Declutter the attic. The attic is the final external space. Discards and donates can now head out through the garage, and any sell items can be collected in the basement. The empty space remaining in the attic is an ideal place to hold items to move that won't show well when you list your home. Think unique decor and family keepsakes. Step 7. Move on to living spaces. Once you've established zones for items heading out of your home, now you can focus on the showrooms. You will be surprised just how much faster you can clear your living spaces when you are crystal clear on where everything is headed. And this would be the time to consider whether you need to bring in a home stager to transform your home into a product for the marketplace. Step 8. Consolidate keepsakes. It's a mistake to review sentimental items earlier in the process because they are the hardest to decide on and the most irreplaceable. Instead, as you review items throughout your home, collect all keepsakes into one room and review them all together in context. Context drives decisions, and it reduces regret. So hold off on keepsakes because you want to avoid regrets. Regrets can bring progress to a grinding halt. Step 9. Home office and paper last. Why? Because paper demands the most amount of space to spread out and demands the most focus. With all the other distracting clutter out of the way, you can fully bring your focus to paper mode and work faster. Step 10. Get help if overwhelmed. Downsizing the stuff from your lifetime is a big project, especially if it all falls on you alone. So get help. When enlisting the help of friends and family, please share the first 9 steps so you won't be at cross purposes. That will make the downsizing process significantly more stress-free. If you'd like to learn more how my team can make the downsizing process stress-free, please go to mattbeyer.com to schedule a free 30-minute, no obligation virtual consultation.